All right, so let's try this 105 one here, broken function level access control. All right, so we're going to have to log in, go to the vehicle details, and we're going to play with the shop now. So here I am with my crappy running. So I go to the shop, and you see these products. They're products for sale. A customer should only be able to view them, not add them or change them. So there is a request that loaded this shop, and that is get API workshop API shop products. This is the request that loaded those products. Here's the seat for $10 and here's the wheel for $10. So if I the request was there, just loaded it. Okay. So let's send this request to the intruder. Okay. And a GET request is not how you're going to change data. You would change it with a POST request. So let's, in the intruder, let me make this bigger so I can see what I'm doing. All right, you see it's highlighted things like this cookie. I'm going to clear these, and I'm going to highlight the method, the GET method, and put the section marks around that. That's going to be my variable. So now I go to the payloads, and I try the common methods, which I've given you here. There are other methods, but these are the more common ones. Put, post, patch, and so on. And now we just run the attack. 7 different methods. That should open another window after warning me it's going to go slow in the free version of Burp, but it won't take too long to do 7 requests. So, see, I get some 405s and I get some 200s. So 405 is not allowed. You can click here and look at the response. And doesn't tell you anything except just there. 405, method not allowed. Method POT not allowed. So the 405s are not allowed. The 400 is POST, and there it tells you field is required. So that's interesting. That suggests that you can use the POST method here, and then you'd have to give it a name, price, and URL. So apparently you can add products to the page. Now, hopefully, it would make sure you've logged in as administrator, but maybe not. And there are some 200s, but those are methods that work like head and options, are methods that just give you information about the server. They don't actually give you anything useful. I'm surprised this has data down here at all. But anyway, this post is the one that's interesting, of course. So let's take this post line. You can copy the request from here back to the repeater. All right. And then back on the repeater, I've got this post method, and I know I have to add parameters. It showed me what parameters are there. So I just put them in here in JSON format. Name. I wonder if I can copy from the repeater. I think I can. Yep, down here. Yep, here you go. There is a properly formatted JSON request. I'll just copy that one and paste it in here to see if I get it to work. All right. And now, so my name is going to be, say, Sam item. And the price is going to be 10, I guess. Yeah, it needs to be in quotes, 10.00. All right. And the URL is going to be anything. It won't actually be able to show the image because I don't know the actual name of a real image on the server, but I'll just make it item.ping so that the API call should accept it. So now I have a name, a price, and an image URL, and now I just send this request. And the response is 200 OK, and ID is 3, and there were already 2 items on the page, so that would suggest that it worked. So if I refresh this page, there's now another item for $10 here. So you can add items, and if you carry on with the project, you can also add an item with a negative price, and then when you buy it, your account balance goes up instead of down. So that's good, clean fun. And so as students do this, this page gets littered up with items, but that's not too bad. And all right, and I think all right, so that's it for that one.